Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria Ocean, I am an artist, and today I would like to invite you to set up my art studio, my painting studio together. Let's start. I haven't been painting for already 3 or no, even 5 months, I guess, so I would like to organize my painting studio again because here is empty. Usually I paint in this area. I will show you what's going on here now, because before I was absent in this apartment for 3 months and my friends were living here, so I totally removed all my painting stuff in the closet and to the balcony. Today I think we will try to organize something interesting, of course as much as it possible, because I don't have many decorations or anything like that. I don't even know how I would like to organize my studio, but let's see. So for this time, this part of the apartment is available for my painting studio, and I'm considering to make it in this area or maybe this area. I don't know, to be honest. So now I have here my makeup table. I love makeup, but that's another story. This is my cat belongings. This is my cat. I don't want to disturb him now. And here there's some space, and here's Richard. I don't like these ugly wires here and there, and I will try to cover it somehow or maybe hide. I also need something to cover the floor, because you know, working with oil can be pretty dirty. After some searching in my closet, I have found this piece of plastic curtain. It's the old one, and I think it fits very nice. I need to fix my easel a bit. I don't know what happened. Oops. Also, my friends gave me this cute lamp, and I think I will use it for painting because it looks pretty flexible and I guess really nice to paint. Actually, I'm left-handed, so I need my main light from the right side, from here. I also have found a chair instead of my armchair. I would like to decorate a bit, and I have found this frame from one sold painting. Now it's not really necessary. And this and these black lights. Maybe we'll do something with that. I don't know what the result will be, of course. Let's try. Actually, I prefer lights with not the black wires, but with the transparent or metallic or something like that. But we have what we have. I don't want to buy a new one because I have one lights on the transparent wires, but they are in my bedroom. I like them there. I'm finally done. maybe I will leave it like that. What do you think? Okay, it's time to set up some oils and color palettes here. I think we will start with this, my treasures. I have too many oils. For me it's too many because I'm pretty minimalistic. Because when you move once a year or two, or maybe when you change the country once in 2 years, you can't take a lot with you. I think you can imagine. So let's start with organizing this part. That's so hard to start, you know. Okay, I have some whites, and the biggest disadvantage of this board that these big paintings are too heavy for this, and I think one day it will break, but let it be. let's try, because I need to put it somewhere. I need some time. This used to be my guest soap brush, but now it's like a stone. I don't know, can I work with it or not anymore? Because maybe you see it's... Oh, no, I think I will use it a couple of times more. I think it happens because of improper washing. Because I hate washing brushes. I never do that. Except of the time I take a break for my painting process. What if I will put it here? I think here I will put all my greens. Let's try. I'm not sure about this brush here, but okay. Greens. How many greens do I have? Is that green? No, it's blue. I have this and this, but I guess it will be too heavy. I think this one will be in my storage, and this I will try to hang. Let's try from the light parts. This. I have no idea why I bought so many greens. I don't need them. I really don't need them. I can mix it by myself. I really need maybe 5, maybe 7 colors. That's all. I don't know why do I keep so many paints. This is, by the way, this is the oldest one, because it's one of my first oil paintings, to be honest. Because I have bought it 6 years ago, and now it looks ugly. I hardly use that because I don't need it. Oxide of chromium, it's like the color swamp. I don't need that. But I don't want to throw it out. I want to try to finish it one day. Maybe I need to try the challenge to finish as much colors as I can in several paintings. Oh, this is green, Ararat sky green, by the way. This is acrylics. What if I will put it here? That can work. Okay, greens. What is that? It's a solvent. Okay, the next one, let's try blue. Yeah? I think it will be. have several blue colors, but the situation is actually the same. I need only this one, phthalo blue, and sometimes I need ultramarine. The rest of them, okay, once I will try to use them, but I don't need them. Maybe I can put it here. That's all. Or maybe anything else. By the way, this is liquid. This is my... I have two of them. And liquids, I love them as the medium instead of mixing oil and solvent, instead of just oil or something like that, because it does not have smell. And this is non-toxic. And it helps oil to dry quicker. So really nice. Of course, not as quick as acrylics, but anyway. Here, maybe red ones. All the red. And not all of them. It's one more. Pink. Okay, here. Yellow ones. I have this one big yellow, and I'm not sure where can I put it. Maybe here. Like that. Any more oils or not? And white. I forgot about white. For the person who hardly use acrylics, I have too many acrylic paints. Sometimes I use acrylics as the first layer. Sometimes, but not all the time. When I need quick dry, extremely quick dry, when I don't have time, I use acrylics. All of my oils are here except this one. It duplicates this, so I think I will leave it here in the storage. What can I say about the rest? Maybe I will need some palette knives. Not of them are my favorite, but I just have them. My favorite ones, that are flexible enough. I think I will put all of them here. This box will go back in the closet. I also have color palettes. And all of them... Oh, this has a clean side, wow. And this is not... Yeah, I think I need to clean that one day. But, you know, not today. I'm not ready to do it today. I need to think about the place I will store them as well, yeah. Maybe like this. But the rest of them should be cleaned. I will put it back in the storage because I don't need it every day. I need it just when I'm signing my paintings and stamping my certificates of authenticity and things like that. The liquid, yes, this bottle I will leave here. I will need this. And these brushes are no longer possible to use, unfortunately, so I will throw it away. I also have this small kit holder I use it for my iPad to look at the references, to watch some, I don't know, YouTube videos like that. Very nice and comfortable. This is 1 meter for 1 meter canvas. For now it's enough light, but I think in the evenings I will use this lamp, maybe that lamp, and the main light in additional. I think it should be enough. I'm so excited to start. I just want to put my chair from the distance of the Richard, because my cat often tries to bite Richard. So I need to keep distance from all the objects. My cat can reach it. I also have this candle hold, I guess, that I made by myself, and Polako in Serbian means relax. Relax and feel the beauty of the life. So, and I will put a candle here as well. So these are my cat belongings, some bigger candle. And this is my painting space. How do you like it? I think that's all. I really delighted with the result. I think it looks really cozy, really nice, and I'm really into painting now. I'm so inspired. I want to create something nice on this canvas. But of course I would like to paint something bigger, because in my mind there are some, I don't know, 2 meters for 2 meters painting. But now we have what we have, and I need it urgent, and I think I will start to paint right now. Okay, maybe I will go to it and then I will start. If you like this video, please press like or leave something in the comments, some of your thoughts. How does your painting studio look, or maybe do you like to design your area or not? Because I'm not really creating something cozy. It's my first attempt, to be honest, because before I just put some easel, put something on the floor, and that's all. No decoration. This is my first time. So I hope you like it. See you in the next video. Bye.